Google's latest hardware for 2022 is here in the form of the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. They have improved internals, better software, and new camera features. But the upload speed remains the same as last year. What is also last year is that you don't get a charger in the box. So, we decided to scour the internet and find the best fast chargers for the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you 5 best fast charger for Google Pixel 7 in 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the EGK brand. At 59% smaller than an original 30W USB-C charger, GON 3 technology not only reduces the size and weight of the charger, but also generates less heat, reduces power consumption effectively and improves charging efficiency greatly, makes charging safer and more convenient. Full charge for iPad Pro 12.9-inch in 2.5H, save over 1.5 hours than standard USB charger, 4.5H. Google Pixel Fast Charging 30W, charge for Google Pixel 7, 7 Pro, 6 Pro to 50% about 30 minutes. EGK 30W GON 3 USB-C fast charger, 6.6 feet long USB-C to USB-C cord, twice length cable than others, support 480 megabits per second data syncing. Enjoy worry-free 18-month warranty and friendly customer service. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 4 in our top is from the Looptimo brand. Fast charging PD 3.0 technology, the car charger and wall charger's PD port can fast charge Google phones, from dead to 50% in 30 minutes, finish charging in 100 minutes, automatic power off when fully charged. Dual ports of the car charger can charge 2 devices at high speed simultaneously. Additional QC 3.0 port supports Samsung 15W fast charging and Moto Turbo protocol, able to your family or passengers to charge the device. The wall charger is UL certified and car charger meets UL 2089 standard. Both chargers built in multiple protections protect your phone against overheating, overvoltage, overcurrent, short-circuiting. 2-pack 3.3-foot USB-C to USB-C cord, past 12,000 plus bend lifespan test, more flexible and durable, longer service life, can help you avoid using more money to buy charging cables. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Super brand. This item is up to nationally recognized standards for high-level electronic safety. With a 1.8N USB-C charging cable that supports a PD fast charging model with a maximum output of up to 20W, the USB-C port with power delivery 3.0 compatible devices enables faster charging in a short time. It can intelligently recognize the output current, compatible with most USB-C smartphones, laptops, tablets and trendy gaming devices. 90 degrees folding pins for easy packing when outside travel. Detachable 6-foot extra long Type-C charging cable makes your life easier. The maximum output power of the standard USB charger is 18W. The 20W charger can charge faster and save time. Number 2 in our top is from the Repined brand. Upgraded USB-C cable support QC 2.0/3.0 fast charge technology. Sync and charge simultaneously at fast speeds on your USB Type-C compatible devices. Fast charger block with PC fireproof material. Strict control tests and multiple protections against surges and short circuits ensure complete safety. Protect your devices against overheating, overcharging and overcurrents. This fast charger Type-C compact and easily portable, ideal use for home, workplace, travel, car via USB cable connection. Simply plug in the Type-C cable and plug the adapter into the wall. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the X5 brand. Next generation, future-proof fast charging technology that will charge your Google Pixel phone 70% within 1 hour. The PD USB-C charger kit compatible with Google Pixel 7 Pro, Google Pixel 7, Google Pixel 6, Pixel 5, Pixel 4, Pixel 4 XL, Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL, Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL, Pixel XL, Pixel 3a, Pixel 3a XL, Pixel C Tab, Google Chromebook Pixel, and more. USB-C connector offers a user-friendly reversible design, fast charging and transferring, up to 480 megabits per second data transfer speed, power output up to 3 amp. The 1 meter length of this USB-A to USB-C cable makes it easy to wrap up and store in a backpack or suitcase. Which fast charger for Google Pixel 7 would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.